Everybody, today we're going to be unboxing the HPI Racing RS4 Sport 3 Creator Edition. Last spring, I saw several YouTube content creators such as RC Driver Online, Hemi Storm, and RC Network make their creation with this kit. I kept looking for this kit at my local hobby store. I couldn't find one, and this past weekend I finally found one at Tony's Hobby. So without any further ado, let me go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. All right, so this is my second HPI kit. My first was the HPI Venture Crawler, and HPI does things just a little bit differently, so it was an interesting build. There's this decal sheet, and the decals are pre-cut, so that's great. This is going to be some important information printed in different languages. I believe it's warranty, and it folds out. Okay, I'm sure that's some disclaimers there. This is a very good looking glossy print manual. Very thick pages in several languages. Looks like it's in English, German, French, and Japanese. Alright. Like I said, HPI does things just a little bit differently from your axial Traxxas, Tamiya. Everything is just a little bit different. They have their own unique take on it. So it's something I need to relearn when I'm going through this. Now the good thing about this is it's a pre-assembled kit. The chassis is pretty much as you see on the box, and all I have to do is put a few components together. I need to pick my electronics, obviously, and install those, and buy a body and some wheels. So there we go. And I'm sure there's some tuning information back here. Okay, that's interesting. All right. Have to build our own shocks. So there is actually quite a bit to build, even though the chassis is pre-assembled. But this is maintenance, so let's not judge the book. Let's go ahead and really see what's inside. There is an antenna tube in here, which I usually don't use. This bag has the bumper and some parts in it. Let me go ahead and open that up. Let's take a look. So bumper, body post, body pin. That's just something the body pin rests on. And double-sided tape. I'm not sure what that is. This is probably the servo bag. There's a spring here. Servo saver. Yep, this is all the servo components. In this bag is the wheel hexes and the wheel nuts. And I believe that is the servo mount. And just a couple screws that I have no idea. Probably spares. Okay. And in this bag, I think those are extra C-hubs, some turnbuckles. Let's open it. Dropped something. Dropped a lot of things. Probably steering links. These are, I'm gonna guess these are something to do with steering. some spacers, just a lot of small components, the usual cross wrench, some more body pins. All right. So don't lose that. Let me go ahead and see if I can take this out, take the chassis out. This is a really thick zip tie. Okay. All right. So here it is. I would say this is about 90% pre-assembled. You have the whole drivetrain, both diffs, front and rear suspension. Everything's pre-assembled. As you can see, we need to put the front bumper on. Obviously, we need to install the electronics. This plastic is terrific. This feels light in the hand, and you can see this tub chassis is not terribly thick. I'm curious how much this weighs, but it feels a lot lighter than a fully assembled Tamiya kit. The layout is very similar to the TT02. The motor mount sits here. Servo sits in this box right there. So the layout is very similar to the TT02. And the damper stays, shock towers, geometry is a little bit different, obviously. I think there's going to be some more tuning options than your standard TT02 set, but I'm looking forward to working with this. Okay, this is going to be a fun kit. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do with this kit yet. What I am missing in my collection is a US GT class car. So this might be the one where I put in a 21.5 brushless system and a American hot rod body. What I really like to find is a HPI 4 GT body and put some gold wheels on it. But we'll see what happens. I will keep searching for a body. If you have any ideas or you have any preferences, please let me know. The other body that I would pick if I can find the 4 GT is a Fox body Mustang. That's another car that I really like, that I really want to put one together for. And I think that would be great. Get some 5.0 badges on there. I think it's going to look really good. So that's it for the unboxing of the HPI Racing kit here. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave it below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next one.